Friends, today we are going to know about hexagonal hexagonal and square headed bolts. Okay, now here two views of hexagonal headed bolt and square headed bolt with the proportions marked. Now I will show you. I will going to take one hexagon. We know very well how to create hexagon. Then this is surface. You can take like this. You can touch this. Okay. Draw this one highlighted. Okay. Like this, and then here projections. We are going to draw projection lines. We will draw this. See here, we are going to draw projection. The circle of arc we don't extend. Okay, ఇది కూడా ఇక్కడ టచ్ అవ్వాలి, లైన్ టచ్ అయ్యేటట్టు గీసుకోండి. అండ్ దెన్ this is threading. Okay, you can equal distance it will maintain after axis. ఈ యాక్సిస్ లైన్కి ఈ పక్క ఈక్వల్గా వచ్చేటట్టు గీయండి. ఓకే, హియర్ మనకి డి వాల్యూ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఇస్తారు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ డి. ఈ డయామీటర్ని బట్టి మనం అవన్నీ కూడా క్యాల్కులేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. దిస్ ఈస్ 2D లెంత్, అండ్ నౌ దిస్ ఈస్ టోటల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ bolt, and then here is 0.75D. Okay, this total it will come to D. Okay, to D. So this is a hexagonal headed bolt. Now we see here square. Inscribe this circle, and then here it will come. This is the diameter D. Okay, and similarly here also we put D like this. This it will come. Yeah. Now these all are the projections. So this is axis. You take like this. Now see this. This is headed, and this is length. Okay. So this is threads. Now you see this is called D, and this is total length is called coming from L, and now this is 0.75 D is the head. Okay, so this is the calculating part. This W previous we discussed about nut. Okay, same value you can take this thing W. Okay, and now we are going to see washers. Okay, and then see, this is washer here. You draw a circle. Okay, మనకు వాషర్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో మనకు తెలుసు కదా, రైట్. see washers. This is side view of the washer. This is projection line. Okay, and now here the how to calculate this is for diameter D, but washer you can plus D plus 1 mm you can increase. Okay, and now here this total is coming from 2D plus 4, and thickness of the washer is 0.15 D. Thickness of the washer is 0.15 D. Okay, and go for here other forms of bolts. Now we should know about other forms of bolts. Okay, now we see here other forms of bolts. This is one type of bolt I am going to draw. And see this is the axis. Okay, this now it's coming from head. Okay, and then here we are going to head like this. This is square. The symbol is coming from is called square. Okay, don't forget that. And now here we are going to see this is D. And then side view of this, and before going that I am given some dimensions here. This height is 1.5 D plus 3. Now see, this is the length we taken here 0.8 D, and now this is the length. This is also same 0.8 D. Okay, now the radius of this is, it will come 2D. The radius is 2D. Okay, so now we are going to see here the projections of this. Now this is the square, and then again one square. This is one square, and this is one square, and circular. See this circle diameter I'm going to draw here like this. Okay, this is the, it will look inside view. And now this is called as square headed bolt with square neck. Square neck. Okay, so now we are going to see another one. Okay, that is coming from here, T bolt. Okay, so then Now we are going to see T headed bolt with square neck. Okay, now see this. మనం ఇంతకు ముందు చూసిన పిక్చర్ లాగే ఉంటుంది ఇది కూడా. This is T shape. Now this is square neck. This is the sharp, so this is called D. Now this is coming from 0.8D, and then here also 0.8D. Now this distance is taken 1.8D. Okay, now this is the axis line. Okay, now I am going to draw this side view. It will show like this, in between having square circle, so hatching. See this. Okay, this is called T headed bolt. And now see here another one. We are going to see another type of bolt. Then I draw like this. Okay, this is the point. Now this is the center. Okay, it will come like this. We take this radius 0.9D. Okay, and then here to here distance is 0.8D. Okay, so then here we look at the side view of this. Okay, it will look like this is the projection of this, and now here is having circle. సో సైడ్ వ్యూ కనుక మనం చూసుకున్నట్లయితే ఈ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, అండ్ దెన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ హుక్ బోల్ట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ హుక్ బోల్ట్. ఓకే, so now we are going to see another one, eye bolt. Hook bolt, T bolt, hook bolt, now eye bolt. Okay, and then see here eye bolt. I am going to draw axis line like this. Okay, this is like this. You can see here is having one circle, and then another one is going a circle like this. So here is one platform is there. Equal distance. This is here I am going to draw floor. Okay, and here in this floor we are going to fix bolt. You see like this. Okay, and then this is the threaded. See this, it will come like this, and then here in between we are going to fix some of this. Okay, this distance is called D. This distance is called D, and then hatching. So before going that, I put it some. This is 1.5 di. Okay, I means this is the eye bolt. I shape is there, and then here 1.4 D, and here to here 2D, and then here to this distance you can take 1.5 D, and this you can take as any distance. Okay, ఇది మాత్రం మనం ఎంతైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు కింద పార్ట్ వరకు, బట్ ఓకే. అండ్ we are going to see in this side view for this. Now I am going to draw some projections. Okay, right, it's enough, I think. Let's see, but projections we know very well, it's coming to straight. Okay, and then I take some axis. Here I draw the circle. Okay, so this is the diameter 0.8 D. Okay, and then now here we are going to see this is the part is there. Now I am draw like this. Okay, this is the part. Okay, and this part of diameter is 2D, and then this is the base. Okay, now here is curved shape is there. Going to straight like this. This is straight like this. Okay, and now here see one thing like this. Okay, this is center. Okay, this is the picture of eye bolt, and now here foundation is there. I show like this. And then here also. Okay, and now here like this, and also like this you can put it. Okay, now here I draw. Okay, going to hatching this. Okay, so now this is called eye bolt. Okay, some another bolts we are discussing in next class. Okay, thank you.